From now until December 2nd, you can use code BFCM25 to get 40% off select titles. Let's view some of those titles, shall we? And if the title you want isn't on this list during that same time frame, you can actually use code TECH, that TCH TECH, to get 20% off games. Certain, games, as long as it qualifies, but most games are qualified for that. It would say if it doesn't. But anyway, let's go through a list of some of the games you can actually get that discount of up to 40% on. And if I actually have certain games out of these that I enjoy quite a bit, I will put a link in the description below, which in theory you might be able to get double discount if you both use my link and the code. Again, the code is BFCM25 to get 40% off select titles, and that's these select titles. And I don't know if it will work for sure. If you do test it out, definitely let me know. But like, I'm going to put links to Synth Riders and Dungeons of Eternity in the description below. So if you want to buy any of those games and you decide to click on my link and then use again the code, which is BFCM25, which I'll be honest, I keep forgetting the code. You guys probably see it on screen right now. So you guys are probably like, yeah, how do you keep forgetting the code? And like I said, for anything that's not on the list, and well, for a lot that's not on this list, you can still use code TECH to get 20% off during the time period. In fact, you can get 20% off up until January 1st if you use code TECH. So yeah, that is pretty good. Like I said, I'm going to put Synth Riders, a link to Synth Riders, a link to Dungeons of Eternity. If I do pick another game, I for sure need to start making a list. No, because those two games I mentioned off the get-go are games that I personally played and owned, and I actually do think are good games. I'll be honest, the Mega Fireball looks pretty cool. I might look into that game. It looks like it could be cool. If any of you guys have checked, oh, actually, no, that game looks like it could be cool as well. And I really am, I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, Brick Smash VR, okay, see, I'll put links to these two games in the description below as well, but just keep in mind, I do not know the quality of these two games, Brick Smash VR and this game. I just think they look cool, honestly, so, and hey, if you guys want me to check them out in the future, maybe I will on my other channel. I have a whole gaming channel where I play different games and whatnot. I actually played Deadpool VR on there recently. I enjoyed that game quite a bit. There was a problem with my recording of the whole second thing. So if I do record another episode as it will be kind of a time jump thing. A little disappointing, but it was at the end of the day probably my fault. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys about the sale, if I'm being perfectly honest. In fact, let's click on this so we can see what it is about together. Okay, we will actually be able to see. You know what it reminds me a lot of? And I'll put a link to this game if I remember the name of it. I'll put the link to it below. But it's the game it reminds me of is the JRPG game I played a while back. JRPG VR game, and I enjoyed it quite a bit. Yeah, I thought it was quite good. Now, this game, it classified as an adventure, a narrative adventure game. Okay, okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. And see, here's the thing. It said right here, that code again, right here. Now, like I said, if you can get double the off by clicking both my link and entering this code, that would be great, but I can't guarantee that works because I'll be honest, the person I talked to about it wasn't even sure if that worked or not. They said in theory they don't see any reason why it wasn't. Actually, let me hide myself for a moment so you guys can see that code. Now, I just put the code on screen, okay? The code is on screen right now. BFCM25. Okay, so yeah, that's the code for that. These are the games. Hopefully, I remember to put them all in the link in the description below. I don't see why I wouldn't. Like I said, for games that if the sale's over by the time you're watching this, or for games that are not part of the sale, you can use code TECH at checkout for 20% off until January 1st, and then after January 1st, 10% off by using code TECH. So either way, you're getting a deal no matter what. And I'll be honest, hopefully you guys found this helpful. I know this video went on a bit longer than normal, but that's because I want to walk through all that stuff for you, because it's not Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales every day. Because if it was every day, then it would be like not a sale, right? It would be a normal price. But let me know what you guys think about these games. Whether the games I recommended, the games on my wish list, let me know if that whole clicking, using my link, my affiliate link in the description below, and then entering the code doubled your savings, or if it didn't work like that. I appreciate you trying anyway. Like I said, I have no clue if it will work like that or not. But I do have a clue, however, if you use code TECH before January 1st, you will receive 20% off. And after January 1st, you will receive 10% off. Works for most games and apps. Technically not all, but most, okay? So, yeah, I'm going to end it up there, and I will catch you guys in the future. Later.